Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy, and it is Friday, January 28th. It is high noon. What a week it's been, and it is not over. It has been phenomenal. Trading nirvana. Let's take a look at the markets. This morning, the markets were down. It was a bit of a trap. Money was certainly to be made. Then they rallied them ever so slightly, turned down again, plumbed what we would call plumbed the lows. The Russell got underneath its low, not by much. The Nasdaq did not. The S&P did not. The Dow did not. And the VIX was not making a new high. That was an indication to us as we kept our eyes glued to the swing machine that we were starting to sniff out a rally. If you look at our Twitter feed, we actually said that on the Russell. And we expected it on all. We thought that the greatest risk reward would be getting long the Russell. Now, we're not talking about getting long until June or anything. We're traders, folks. We go up, we go down, we go down, we go up. The parade comes to town, the parade leaves town. Um, Let's take a look at the VIX. The VIX turns down at 10:15. Did you guys see it? Did you see it? We did. Right there, 10:15. What does that mean to us? That means time to kill your shorts. We're probably going to rally. And at 10:48 on the ES contract, what does it do? It goes long. Goes long. You wanted to wait until 10:20? Actually, 10:20 would have been a little bit earlier. You got a better entry on the one, but you're up safely to $2,000, $2,500 on whatever time frame. You want to trade the 3 minute, 10:18. Let's split the baby. You want to trade the 3, 10:18. You're up 2,800. How about the NQ? What time? 10:21. What a coinky dink. You're up nearly 5,000. The Dow 10:51, you're up 1,500. The Russell, 11 o'clock, you're up roughly 1,000. I'm bagging on at Stock Market Caddy. We are a mentoring site. A mentoring site. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. If you want to get a list of trades to trade and want to subscribe to somebody who gives you a bunch of calls, a bunch of puts, and you just pick them like you're, randomly, then that isn't us. Our monthly members get a view every night on our algos. We give them the education so that they can glean what they need to glean and make their own decisions and learn operative word to trade as they go to become more and more responsible for their own trading. Some people can handle that. Most people can't. Our members can and do. They thrive on it. They want to make their own decisions. Those traders that have the time, have the capital, have the passion. I was talking with one of our members today and he said, Don, you really got to have a passion for this. You really got to like to do this. Because it's like everything else, like golf, like basketball, like any other sport. If you want to excel at it, it can't be drudgery. It can't be something you hate to do. You've got to really be interested and you've got to be willing to learn, willing to practice. And not everybody has that luxury. But if you do, we have a program for you called the Q School. And after the Q School, you're still happy with what you've seen, what you've done, and you want to go further, and you want these tools that have taken us tens of thousands of hours, years in some instances. We've been using Swing Machine for nearly 20 years. You can instantly have these tools with the education on how to use them on your desktop. A tremendous value. If you have questions, feel free to give me a call, 813-758-8263. It's a Friday afternoon. Fairly boring on a Friday afternoon. Actually, it's pretty boring every day. We trade robotically, so there's not a whole lot to do. I'm happy to speak with you. It starts and ends with you, though. We wish you the best. Feel free to give us a shout. I'm Bagadon, stockmarketcaddy.com. One other little thing. We don't advertise. It's word of mouth. And we're growing steadily in a very responsible way each and every year. We have unlimited memberships at the monthly level. The annual memberships are limited each year. So I don't know where we'll be in June with our licenses. So if you're thinking of doing it, give us a call. Get your place. Have a great weekend, everybody.